This tutorial will use the EventStatus channel created from the prior tutorial event search to visually identify where in the speed and torque channels the events occurred. The visualization will be performed in a View 2D axis system using a feature called Background Segments. Click on the View panel to activate it. Clear out the worksheet by choosing the menu option File, New. Select the time, speed, and torque channels in the example channel group, and then drag and drop them to the empty View worksheet. When the pop-up menu appears, choose 2D Axis System. Access the 2D Axis System toolbar Y-axis and select the option End Systems Linear. From the View panel menu, choose View and Settings. Click on the button Background Segments. Delete any existing segment definitions if they exist. Click on the plus button labeled New Entry when you hover your mouse over it. The Add Segment dialog will appear. Drag and drop the time channel from the data portal to the Add Segment dialog X channel input control. Drag and drop the Event Status channel from the data portal to the Add Segment dialog Y channel input control. Make sure the type is set to X, the color is set to gray, and the transparency is set to 0. Click the OK button to close the Add Segment dialog. Click the OK button to close the Color Background Segments dialog. Click the OK button to close the 2D Axis System dialog. The 2D chart now displays the Event Status channel in the background, allowing you to visualize where the channel speed has a value greater than 40 meters per second and the channel torque is greater than 200 Newton meters.